Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2015 Ford F-350 Lariat. The exterior color is a bronze fire, and under the hood we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Cooper tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. Interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows, and as we move closer into the cabin you will see our black leather seating with adjustments on the side. Above we have a sunroof. Over at our steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead you will see we have HD radio, Sirius XM, CD, USB. Below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. There is cup holders and storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2015 Ford F-350 Lariat, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.